Do you want to be a successful freelancer? These are the top 6 habits to become a successful freelancer this 2023. Without further ado, let's get to it. Hey, welcome back and welcome if you are new to the channel. I'm Sheriff Dean, a top-rated plus up worker, Microsoft Excel specialist and data analyst. On this channel, you will learn all about freelancing, remote work, and how to become a superb data analyst one step at a time. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 habits to be a successful freelancer and earn the big bucks. And make sure to stay till the end of the video. I've got an amazing offer to help you up your freelancing game this 2023. So let's get back to the habits. Number 1, you need a skill. I'm a huge fan of this quote. You can't give what you don't have. You need a skill. I can't emphasize how important a test skill is to become a successful freelancer. You will need either a soft skill or a hard skill. We could also call them low income skill or high income skill. So the question is, what is the difference between the two? Simply put, a soft skill or low income skill takes a short period to learn and the hourly rate is mostly low. You will likely spend more time and hours to earn more. A great example is data entry, article writing, and a host of others. While on the other hand, a hard skill or high income skill takes a long period to learn and the hourly rate is mostly high. You will likely spend fewer hours and earn more. Great examples are web development, data analytics and science, and copywriting. But either soft skill or hard skill, pricing is relative. You can charge your worth as long as you believe it is worth the value you are providing. More on pricing in future videos. To help you understand and decide which skill you should opt for as a newbie freelancer or you like to upskill, I've included a link to an ebook in the YouTube description. You can download it. It's absolutely free. Number 2, niche down. Be a specialist. It is highly important to understand that having a skill is entirely different from having a niche. When you niche down and specialize, you become an authority in your specialty. When you speak, people listen and you attract the right client. Take for example, Mr. A, Mr. B, and Miss C all know how to use Microsoft Excel for data analysis. But what if they niche down based on industries and refer to themselves as sport analysts, health analysts, pricing analysts, respectively, irrespective of the tools they are using for analytics? A much closer example that will resonate well with you is writing. So if you're into writing, you can't just call yourself a writer. That's too generic. You should also niche down based on tools, industries, trends, and many more. Tagging yourself based on niches like cryptocurrency writing, real estate writing, travel writing, technical writing, health and wellness writing is the best way to be a specialist. You are not just a writer that writes about everything on the internet. If I was a client, I won't even hire you. You also have a deeper understanding of specialization and niching down in the ebook I mentioned earlier. Make sure to download it below. Number 3, get a coach or mentor. A coach is someone who has passed through what you're about to get yourself into and can easily help you navigate your path. I know the internet is mind-blowing and you can learn anything, anytime, and from anywhere you are in the world. But having someone to guide and walk you through freelancing can save you a whole lot of hours that you can put to learning what is required of you to become a successful freelancer. When I started out, I couldn't afford a coach, but I was shadow marking this guy. His name is Benga Adebiyi. I met him after the amazing free freelance session held during the onset of COVID-19, courtesy of Brent. Shout out to Brent, he created a spark. It's totally fine if you can't afford a coach right now. There are a lot of amazing people who have results and are sharing their knowledge about freelancing for free to help you get started. People like Benga Adebiyi, Omo Alaja, Lams, and Johnson Delight, who I recently saw on Twitter, who created a free 8-video series on how he earned $100,000 within 2 years on Upwork alone. Also, you can check out Josh Bonsteck. I'm a huge fan of his journey. Amazing guy he is. Also, I recommend Morgan Overall's Freelance MVP and a host of others with great track records. Number 4, leverage your network. Now that you have a skill, how do you get your dream job, clients, or gig? Most freelancers believe getting clients or job must be done on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Indeed, and so on. But that's not the truth. The way we use our social media is different now. Social media can be used for direct lead generation from your posts. Most importantly, social media accounts are used by potential clients as a validation to check if you are legit. So having a presence on social media platform is the best way to go, at least for a start. One of the easiest ways to get your favorite client or job this 2023 is to make a move towards others first. That could be through providing valuable content using your social media accounts and sending cold emails to recruiters on LinkedIn. Learn to follow up with contact. It's no use connecting to someone on LinkedIn or your favorite social media accounts without having a purpose. Leverage the social media community. Number 5, be inquisitive. Ask questions. What you don't know, you don't know. Period. As a freelancer, one major skill you need to cultivate is the habit of learning every day and constant research, because new technology comes up every day. Learn as much as possible on your own and ask questions when you have the opportunity to ask. Do not be afraid to ask questions, no matter how dumb the question may sound. He who asks never ever gets lost. Number 6, volunteer. One major challenge most newbie freelancers face is landing their first job or client. It can be frustrating and challenging, and there's nothing you can do about it. You just have to keep trying and focus on what you can control. So what you can control is volunteering yourself, applying for internships, and doing a free job for a friend's business and using the results to apply for paid roles. Number 7, bonus habit. Here is my final and most important habit to be a successful freelancer. If you don't remember the first 6 habits I mentioned earlier, don't ever forget this one. Patience. If you start freelancing today, never compare your day 1 with someone else day 100. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. You can't achieve what someone has achieved in 100 days on the first day of your freelancing career. You have to be patient with yourself and allow yourself to grow. You have to exercise patience while learning the required skill, not getting response to your job application. Take a break when you are tired. Just don't quit. Hey, thanks for staying to the end of this video. If you found value in this video and you'd love to start your freelance career right now, but you are looking for a detailed, comprehensive guide guaranteed to give you 100% results, with weekly support sessions to answer any question you have to become a successful freelancer, then you need to get the Freelance Clients Magnet course, popularly known as FCM, which teaches you how to become a successful freelancer and get quality clients, high-paying gigs, and earn the big bucks. And also, you also get weekly coaching support till you land your first gig and many more, all for $77 or 45,000 naira only. But you get 10% off with the coupon code ExcelIsland if you use my coupon code right now. So do that right now. Click the link in the description below, and I will see you in my next video.